Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to auto invest dividends on Trading 212. So first of all, you just have to simply launch your Trading 212 application. Afterwards, you need to tap on the option of this pie icon over here. Now over here, you just have to simply select that particular pie of yours in which you have holdings of your dividend stocks. Now over here, you just have to scroll down in the overview section, and here you are going to see the auto invest option. Now right next to it, if the on option is written, it simply means that it is already on. So you can also tap on it in order to see the auto investment plans. If by any reason it is turned off or showing you any turned off option, you just have to tap on that and make sure this toggle button is turned on. So this way you can do it. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.